Yo guys, what's up? It's Joshy.
And it's Sonny.
And welcome back
to our we failed at that. Right, today guys, well, guess what? It's a new channel. That's my fucking luck. I usually, guys, it's about 1 here. I usually get up at that time. Woo! Woo! Yeah, basically, today we're doing a chili video. Oh my god, no way you're doing a chili video.
Where's the chili?
Of course we're doing a chili. Oh. Here it is! It's the extra hot, super broadband chili.
And we're also eating chili.
Chili!
So we're going to basically dip this hot sauce into the chili and guzzle it up.
Make sure you get your angles right here, Josh.
Oh,
You're a scientist, though.
I am a scientist.
Yeah.
Basically, without further ado of the pony, we're going to be doing it.
That's a great way to explain. We're going to be doing it.
Come on.
Oh, should we talk about the milk? It's like giving someone the lasagna recipe without the ingredients.
Exactly.
We've got milk here, down here.
But there's a
Can't
catch.
see it. There's a catch. Not just you. You are a catch. But yeah, what's the catch, Josh? Joshy.
The first person to drink the milk loses and has to do a forfeit.
Don't tempt me like that. I want milk.
We're going to dip it in like ketchup next to some nuggets. Oh, it's just poured the rest of the consumption in it.
Right,
Oh,
3,
it's hot.
2, 1,
that
go.
sauce is hot, man.
Oh shit, it fucking is. It fucking is.
That's hot. The sauce is hot. Oh my god, water already. It's been 5 seconds. Ah. Oh my god, that's a fucking bastard.
I see the stars.
No. My ears are ringing like the Tower of London. What? Mate, I'm gasping like a dog on its last breath. Nah, you fucking drink
fine.
it. Drink it, Joshy.
I'm fine.
Come on.
I'm fine.
No, you're not fine, mate. Oh, it's so nice.
Smell it.
I can't do it. I cannot do it. Oh, my ears are fucking ringing though. I can't tell whether you're faking this just to wait for me to do it and you're going to do it right after.
No.
I'm not falling into your trap.
Mate, I'm done. It's gone.
Fuck it.
Fuck.
You
Yeah.
fucking cheat! You fucking cheat! I knew you would. You wait till I sip it, you'd be all over it. Yeah, it's hot, isn't it? It's hot. You bitch. You bitch.
Right, now I
Oh,
can
he
finish
made me
my
lose.
own. I can finish my ones now.
I don't have that. Strategic winners like that, I don't like them at all.
Ah, it's disgusting.
That's horrible!
Hello, Timmy. Forfeit time.
Forfeit time, yeah? Forfeit! With Sonny. Oh, just poured it all over myself. Oh. Great milk. Great milk. I repeat. I don't need to repeat it again. Oh, sorry. Looks like I've just eaten the Cadbury wrapper. Hey.
What does it taste of, by the way?
Basically expired milk. This is my idea of expired milk. I can't believe I just swallowed that.
Okay, now get rid of that.
Can we hit 20? No, we're not one of those channels who ask for likes. Yeah.
If you don't like me, just tell me, because honestly, it does hurt my feelings when you hate me, but you don't tell me.
Yeah.
Because deep inside, you live once and you see these memories.
Hope you enjoyed our first video on this new great channel.
I'm very hungry for cake.
What could that mean?
It's my 36th birthday and his 9th birthday.
He's as fucking old as a badger.
Yeah, well,
Right.
thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Fuck.
That's a fuck song.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Fuck off.